Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make eggnog. This drink will go well at any winter festivity. However, my family and I usually save it for our New Year's Eve tradition to have with my Grandpa Freddy's fudge, which I show how to make in another video. To make this, you will need a pitcher, half a pint of whipping cream, 1 quart of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 eggs, and 1 15-ounce can of Eagle brand. You will also need a mixer. Mine is set to the side and awaiting use. The first thing we do is drop our 2 eggs into the mixer. I like to crack mine into a separate container to make sure they're good. Next, we'll add our Eagle brand. And then our vanilla. And when the recipe calls for a teaspoon, I like to use a capful. Once these 3 ingredients are added, we'll attach the beater and blend. Once it's ready, we'll add our half pint of whipping cream. And then the milk. Mix together. And pour into your pitcher. Don't worry about the foam on top. That's just real whipped cream, and it tastes really good. We usually let our eggnog sit in the fridge until we're ready to drink it. Then we pour it into festive cups and settle in to watch Christmas movies on New Year's Eve. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you will like and subscribe down below.